What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that you need to have any of the wallet. You can use the Telegram wallet or you can use the Tonekeeper wallet as well. Now what we will do is we will use the Tonekeeper wallet. If you don't know how to get it, just go to App Store, search for Tonekeeper and you will be able to get the Tonekeeper wallet. Just install it. Once it is done, if I open up, it will just start the setup process and there you go. It will set up my Tonekeeper wallet in few seconds. Now, after having the wallet, what you have to do is you just have to open up your Hamster Kombat. Now, I'm just going to open up my Telegram, go to Hamster Kombat, and then I'm going to launch it. Once it is launched up, you will be able to see a page looking something like that, which should be the home page. Once you're on the home page, what you have to do is you just have to go to the airdrop section. Now, it is just loading up. Once it is loaded up, you just have to go to the airdrop section. Let me just close it and open it once again. Now we will go to the Hamster Kombat and this is I'm gonna tap on this play one click and it will open up the Hamster Kombat. Now as you can see, it is just popped up. Now here you just have to tap on this airdrop. Tapping on this airdrop will give you these options. Here go to withdrawal. Now tapping on this withdrawal will bring you these options: connect to your Tone wallet or connect to your wallet. Now currently in my case, I have already connected my Tone wallet, but in your case you just have to tap on that and it will give you different wallet options. You just have to select Tone wallet and it will take you to your Tone wallet app. In the Tone wallet app, it will confirm the connection that you've just made. Once you've confirmed it, your Tone wallet is connected to Hamster Kombat. Now the thing is, Hamster Kombat has not been listed yet, which means they do not have any official value yet, so you cannot simply withdraw it to any wallet. However, whenever the coin is listed, you will be able to withdraw it right here from this page. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.